Hello, I'm Miss A. Soma. Welcome to my Japanese learning lesson. In this video, we are going to talk about the usage of domo as an adverb. If you haven't watched the part 1 yet, you can watch it here. Okay, let's get started. Now, as I promised in my last video, I will show you how domo is used as an adverb in this lesson. When domo acts as an adverb, it is almost always used in negative form.
Example 1.
どうも覚えられないや。どうも難しいな。どうもわからないな。
When you use domo as a simple adverb, it could be translated as somehow.
Why somehow?
As I said in part 1, domo originally comes from the sentence Doumo ienu. I cannot express my feelings with words. Let's break down this sentence. Do, how, mo. This is a glue word or particle like wa, ga, e, o, which mostly means there are many options to choose from. So just domo could be translated as somehow, anyhow, in any ways, any way or another. Kind of like that.
What about ienu?
Ie. This is a conjugation of the verb ieru, which means to be able to say. Just one verb means can say. And nu, this is an old-fashioned particle. Nowadays, we don't use this nu in daily conversation. We say nai, which means not, instead. So, when you translate the whole phrase literally, you get, there are many things I could say, but I cannot find the right one to express the way I'm feeling.
Why do Japanese often say domo?
Let's watch many other examples.
Example 2.
田中刑事、星はあいつですかね。
どうも怪しい。
Domo, I'm not sure.
Example 3.
いってきます。
いってらっしゃい。
あ、どうも雨になりそうだな。
傘持ってく？
どうも、そうだ、it might.
Example 4.
おばあちゃんどうしたの？
あの人はどうも見たことがあるな。
どうも、な、I think. Now you can see why domo is so often used in Japan. Domo can cover, I think, I guess, I'm not sure, I doubt, I suspect, it might, it looks like, kind of thing. Of course, we have the equivalent expression about this. I think 私はと思う私が思うに I guess 私はだろうと思うだろう I'm not sure わかりません It might かもしれない It looks like のようだ I doubt I suspect 私は疑います And in writing we use this expression but in daily conversation we prefer to say どうも So I recommend to use domo first while you want to say I think, I'm not sure, something. Domo first and make sentence. It would work well, I think. So, this is the part 2. And the third video of domo, I will introduce the usage of domo as an interjection, like, well, domo, something. And it has very Japanese culture thing, so please don't miss it. I'm looking forward to seeing you there, so please subscribe this channel below. どうもありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。どうもどうも。If you read どうもできない it means I'm not able to do it somehow. But if you read どうもできない I cannot do anything for it. It's a very popular idiom. And the difference is pitch accent. I will make pitch accent video next year, so please wait the explanation until then. And one more thing. どうもわからない I don't understand it somehow. But if you put にどうにもわからない it means I can't understand it no matter what I do. どうにもわからない This is very popular idiom too. So let's try them out.